Today, let's replace the rear wheel bearing on this 2008 Outback. Not going to forget this backing plate. When you think you're done, and you're really not. Okay, this is a first for me. See this scrape mark? Well, that was from the caliper mounting bolt. These are all rubbed on the end of these. So check it out. This caliper mounting bolt sticks out just enough to rub a groove right there in the rotor all the way around. What's the solution? A washer. All right, that's what I'll use. Okay, I think we're done this time. Oh yeah, wheel chocks. Now, there should be no more grinding, no more bearing noise. Should be peace and quiet. At 25 miles an hour, still seems good. There's 35 miles an hour. We're nice and quiet at 35.